So last night, I was on Google Earth, or zooming in as much as I could to find these lines, like these different paths. So that doesn't really, they're not all connected, and it's a lot of guessing going into finding stuff like this. And I saw this ruin. I've seen other ruins, so I knew this was going to be one more of those. And it's really cool to get here and see it in person. It's fairly big, I think. And I wonder why it's here. I want to talk to some locals, but unfortunately there's nobody here. Once I'm back in Santa Rosa, the village, I could ask people. But I'm gonna go right around it so you can see what I'm looking at. I'm tired. This was supposed to be easy. Up. Hello? Wow. I actually think somebody lives here. That's crazy. Must be the person walking with all the cows, because there's cow shit everywhere. Buenas tardes. That is a huge tree. Oh, the lock fell off. Sorry about that. Let's see if anyone's home. Maybe they have coffee. Buenas. It's nice and clean. Wow, look at that. Yes, someone is definitely keeping this place tidy, I should say. Wow, that is amazing. Hello, this is the guest room. Isn't that cool? Is that a tomato? Buenas tardes. Buenas. Nobody's home, obviously. Maybe he will be home because obviously not too many motorcycles come by here and make noise every day. Maybe he's close by. Maybe he comes back to see what's going on here. Oh, here's another little guest room. Maybe it's a toilet. Hello? Huh. Wow. Cool.